So we're all looking for targets beyond JAK for our patients with MPNs, and in particular, advanced myelofibrosis. So one of those targets that we and others have identified is BCLxL. Now, many have heard about BCL2, and that's being targeted by drugs such as the Navitoclax agent, which many know from both lymphoid and myeloid diseases. But BCLxL is a pathway that's very important, and we think it's super important in these MPNs such as myelofibrosis. And so I showed data targeting that pathway with a new oral agent known as Navitoclax, pairing it up with ruxolitinib, and we showed that data in the so-called add-on data set, which is a group of 34 patients who already were on the JAK inhibitor, got added into the BCLxL inhibitor, and we published those results in JCO.